This is the slide we are going to work now. But there are many images scattered in the same place. But when we are using this in our classrooms, it won't be like this. First, I go to slideshow to show how a slide plays. Many items are there in our slide, but now only 3 objects are appearing in our slide. Some instruction to click on something. So we have to click on we have to follow the instruction. It shows click on this rectangle. I'm going to click on this rectangle. Before going to rectangle, what are the other thing we are seeing is a plant. A small plant is there. I'm going to click on the parts of a plant. The picture of plant is disappearing. At the same time, some other parts of a plant are appearing. After click on it, I'm going to click on the another rectangle which shows a root. Now I'm going to click on root. Picture of root only appears and disappears. After that, I'm going to click on leaf. Picture of leaf appears and disappears. After that, I'm doing the same procedure. Same thing is happening. All these things are done only in one slide. In this session, we are going to see how can we create a slide like this. For this purpose, we have to go open a new slide which will be in blank layout. Nothing is there. What are the things we saw in the previous presentation is one rectangle is there, then an arrow mark, then a plant picture. First of all, I would like to insert a rectangle. Rectangle is a shape. To insert a shape or to insert anything in our slide, we should move to insert in the menu bar. Then rectangle is a shape. So I am going to shape button. I click on shape. Then I choose a rectangle. The shape of the cursor becomes changed. I simply drag on my slide. I got a rectangle. I want to design this rectangle. So I am going to change its color. To change the color, we have to select the shape, then go to format, then shape fill. Otherwise, the same thing can be done in another way, by which we can select a rectangle, then make a right click on your mouse. It shows format shape at the bottom. I move to format shape. Then we can get another pop-up with the name format shape. What we are going to do now is to shape the color. I am going to change the color. In previous classes, we have seen in a rectangle, 2 characters are there. One is fill, the another is line. Now I am going to change the fill color. So you have to click on the fill. Now I am going to use only solid fill. In solid fill, what color I want to choose is, we can change the color in color tab. I click on the box. Suppose if I don't want these colors, I want to add some more colors. We have to move to more colors in the same box. After click on more colors, we can get a box like this. I want to apply a pink color shade. So I move to area in which pink is appearing. I click on pink region, then choose some thickness I click here, then go to OK. Now the color is changed to pink. Again, I want to change its outline. Now the outline is in blue color. I want to change the blue color of outline. So again, I click on the rectangle. We can move to line here or here. In both way, we can done the same way, the same procedure. I click on line. I'm going to change the line. I click on the color in the line. I want the same color in which I have applied for fill. Here it is. So I can choose this. Otherwise, we can move to eyedropper. Click on eyedropper. If you come to the slide area, the shape of the cursor becomes changed. Suppose I move this cursor, what color I want, if it is present in our slide, just click on it. So the line color also changed in the same to fill color. It is one of the way. Many options are there. It is just plain rectangle. I want to add some decoration. I want to design it. For that, I again click on the rectangle. This time I want to change the shape effect. Okay. The shape effect is present here and also up here. We can change the shape here also. Now I'm going to change the shape here. Click on it. I'm going to select some bevel option. After applying bevel options, the shape becomes look like a button. So I want to change it to the shape of a button. I move to bevel. These are various bevel options. Just if you move your cursor over the bevel, you may feel what the differences are there. Now I'm applying the third one. Then I click on it. Okay. Then the width of this line can also be changed. Everything can be customized in the format shape. We can change the color. We can change these options. Soft edges, 3D format. If you move to 3D format, we can change this height. So what we know here is, if you draw any shape, it can be customized whatever you want to change it under the name format shape. Under the name format shape, we can be customized anything in the shape. Okay. Then I'm going to type parts of a plant in this rectangle. What we have to do, just click on it. You need not make a right click or double click, nothing. You have to click on the rectangle, then type parts of a plant. If you select the shape and type, everything will be typed in the rectangle, in the shape only. Okay. Now I want to change the color of this font. Where can we go? Just click on the box, then move to home button. In home button, details about the fonts are there. I want to change the color of the font. I'm going to choose yellow color. We can change the size of the font. I want to change the shape of font style. So I change the font, change the color, change the shape. Okay, this is main thing. Then what is the other thing we saw in our slide? An arrow mark, and in arrow mark, click instruction is there. I have to move, insert. Arrow mark is also a shape. I move to shape, click down arrow. Here is the right arrow. I am choosing it. Come to slide area, just drag on it. We got a shape. I am going to type, click. Now also I want to change everything with the same procedure which is applied for the previous rectangle. I select the shape, going to solid fill. I'm going to change the fill. Just listen here, which is already present in our slide area. Here I am going to, we can apply here itself, but I want to insist, apply eyedropper. You move to slide area, then click on the rectangle. If you just click on the color what you want, then the same color will be applied to the arrow mark also. Already the arrow mark is selected. Now I'm going to change the line. Here is line. Here is the color of the line. Apply it. Then I want to move to shape effect. I move to bevel. Apply the same bevel effect. That's all. Okay. I didn't change the color of the font. Again, I selected it. I move to home. Apply the same color. Change the size. Change the font. Okay. Then I move to little bit middle. Then what is the other thing present when the slide opens is plant picture. Already I have downloaded it. Plant picture. So we have to insert a picture. We have to move to insert, then click on pictures. I click on it. I want to resize the picture. I resized it. Okay. Now I am going to see what happens in slideshow. Just appearing. But when I open my demo slide, some blinking effect is appeared on click. So I want to animate this box. I selected it and move to animations. I want to add animation which is blink on click. So I selected the click rectangle. I move to add animation. For blinking something, we have to go emphasis. Here, no blinking option. So I want to go more emphasis effect. In more emphasis effect, in exiting mode, blink option is there. I click on blink. Then want to apply it. So I click on OK. Okay. If you see this in slideshow mode, after I make a click on my mouse, the click button is blinking. We have to select animation pan. Then only we can see and adjust or customize the animations we have applied. Here, we have seen already in previous classes, one means the animation starts after the clicking of our mouse. Now I want to change it with when the slide opens. When this slide open, blinking action should be automatically enabled. So I want to apply start with previous. This one time is happening. So I want to change it to many times. Again, I go to the down arrow. In down arrow, I select effect options. In effect options, you have to move to timing. In timing, we have to see these things. Durations. It takes only for the time of 1 seconds. We can adjust the speed. Then repetition. How many times it appears? Only one time. I want to add few more times. The click button should be blinked. So I have to go repeat, then applied 5 times. Then I click on OK. Slideshow. I didn't do anything. The click button is automatically blinking. Okay. This is the first thing we have to do. Then, if students follow this instruction, click on this one, what should be happened? The plant picture should be disappeared and some text boxes should be appeared here. After, just listen here, after clicking on parts of a plant rectangle, the plant picture should be disappeared and click button is should also disappear. So now I move to the plant picture. The plant picture is already in our stage. When we click on the parts of a plant, the picture should be disappeared. For making disappear anything in our slide, we have to give animation. So I'm going to animations. We have to add animation for this picture. So we have to move to add animation. In animation, what I want is the picture should be disappeared. Disappear. Entrance means when this should be come into our presentation. Disappear will present only in exit mode. So we have to go exit for disappearance of anything. In exit, these are the various styles in which the things can be exit from our presentation. I am going to apply this zoom one. What does it mean? What we need when we click on parts of a plant, this picture should be disappeared. Just to come to animation pen area. So the red mark on the picture means the picture is going to disappear. When this one means when we make a click on mouse, it will be disappeared. But what we want is the picture should be disappeared when we make a click on parts of a plant. So it needs some triggering. How can we trigger it? You have to go the animation, latest animation we have applied, then move to the right arrow, down arrow, click on it, then go to timing. In timing, it talks when should it start, then how long it takes, it is duration, then how many times it repeat. These are the things we have seen. After that, here is another box with the name triggers. We have to click on trigger. After clicking on trigger, we can get two more instructions. One of the instruction is second one. Just listen to the second one. Start effect on click of something. If you enable the start effect on click of button, we can get some instruction there. If you click on the down arrow, it shows what are the things present in our slide. Well, how many things are present in our slide is this rectangle 1, the click rectangle 2, the picture is 3. Okay. Now we are giving disappearing animation. This disappearing animation should start effect on click of the rectangle. What we want is when we click on the rectangle, 3 parts of a plant, then you have to click on OK. This action is happening. Automatically, here a trigger rectangle 3 will be present in our animation pan. Okay. Now you are going to see this in our slideshow mode. Click button is blinking. It's happening for 5 times. We don't bother about it. We should move to follow the instruction. I'm going to click on parts of a plant. The picture is disappeared. Okay. Then what I want is when this picture is disappearing, at the same time, some text box should be appeared here. Some text box should be appeared here with some other names. So again, I want to go insert. I move to shape, then click on rectangle. I draw a rectangle. This is a step, but this thing can be easily done. I am going to delete this one. I click on the parts of a plant rectangle. I make a duplicate. Okay. Then I move it to somewhere else. I resize it. Don't bother about the letters. I make a double click, which comes to editable mode. I delete everything in our slide, in our rectangle. I resize it. Then I select it. Then I'm going to type root. This is the another button. We can get with the same shape and color. We can produce easily like this. When this root box should be appeared at the same time, when this plant picture disappear, at the same time this box should be appeared. Clear? Now I'm going to click on this. I have to animate this one. I want to reduce the same size. Have to click. I'm going to animate this one. So move to animations. This picture disappearing. So I went to exit mode. At the same time, the root box should be appeared. Okay. For appearance, for giving appearance in animation, we have to move entrance mode. I applied here the zoom. Here also I want to apply the same zoom effect in entrance mode. I click on zoom. Here is some animation after triggering, but this time I give the animation for root, which is shown here. Here is selected thing. The selected thing now is the animation at present we have given. But when does this animation happen? This animation should happen when the previous picture disappeared. It is above the place which we have to apply. So we can drag this one to the bottom. It means, two means this thing will happen after the second click of the mouse. But when does it happen? At the same time, when the picture disappear, at the same time root should appear. It means with the previous animation, this animation should start. So I have to go the down arrow and I click on start with the previous. You have to move the slideshow, whether it is working or not, you have to check. Then from beginning, then I want to go to parts of a plant, then make a click on it. That's all. Picture is disappeared, at the same time root box is appeared. Now what are the other things we want? Make a click on the root box, make a duplicate, go to editable mode, delete root, type leaf. Okay, this is the rectangle. At present we have added. The animation is at the top. We have to bring it. Where this animation happen? Sorry, when does this animation should happen? This animation should happen at the same time when the previous box appeared. Clear? I'm going to slideshow from beginning. I'm going to make a click on parts of a plant. Two boxes appeared and pictures disappeared. Again, I want to select this one, duplicated it. I want to change the name of the leaf into fruit. Animation for this box is at the top of the animation pan. But when should it happen? With the previous one, that is the previous one is applied for leaf. So it should bring below the leaf. Leaf animation is here. Fruit animation is at the top. So I have to bring this one by dragging this, or we can move to the down arrow. After selecting this one, you have to move to the two arrow marks. The upward arrow means we can move the animation to the previous one. Now I am going to move to the bottom. In both the ways, you can change the position. After that, again I came here, then make a click on fruit. I duplicated it. Okay. Want to click on it. This time, flower. Animation is at the top. Selected. Move to the bottom. Okay. I am going to see in slideshow mode. From beginning, parts of a plant. Make a click. All boxes are appearing. Okay. Then this time, after this, what I want to do is, if you click on root, the picture of root should be appeared for some time and it should be disappeared. After that, if I make a click on leaf, the picture of leaf should be appeared for some time, then disappear. Everything. Likewise, fruit and flower. Exit mode. Then I want to bring the picture of root. So I move to pictures. I have a root picture, root of this picture. Suppose you don't have the root picture, just copy. I make a copy of the plant picture, then I make another slide. I move to second slide. I pasted the plant. I want this root alone. After selecting this picture, I move to format. In format, I am selecting crop. I selected crop, then cropped up to the root. This is also a way to have a root. Okay. But now I insert from my pictures. I insert root. The root picture is here. You may resize it. Okay. When this root picture should be appeared, after make a click on root button, the root picture should be appeared. So it also needs some other triggering. The all previous triggering are happening when we click on parts of a plant. So parts of a plant is a trigger. Here, this should be appeared when we click on root. So I select this picture, then I move to animations, then I go to add animation. In add animation, I want to give the same zoom effect for this picture also. I make a click on zoom. Okay. Here, the new animation is enabled with the name, with the number 1. When does this happen? It should be happening when we make a click on the root button. So it is another triggering. So we have to select it, then move to trigger in timing. Again, it shows start effect on click off. You make a click. In previous time, only 3 things are shown here. But now we added many things in our slide. You have to click on down arrow. What all the things present in our slides are listed here. Okay. Now I want to give animation for root. Root should appear when we click on the root. So I want to select rectangle 8 with the name root. You have to make a click on it. Then click OK. Okay. Then another trigger will be automatically present here. Okay. This is the timing. The level of the green button shows how long the animation happens. We can change this time in the name duration. We can change the duration up to 2 seconds. I give here 1.5 seconds. This animation happening for the timing of 1.5 seconds. Go to slideshow. I make a click on parts of a plant. This time I move to root. I make a click on root. Clear. It is only appearing now. Now again, I want to give the animation for same root, but this time this root should be disappeared. It appears for some time, then after few seconds, it should disappear. So I again click on the root picture, move to animations area. This time again we go to add animation. In add animation, this time I want to disappear it. So we have to move to exit. In exit, I apply the same zoom effect. The animation is at the top. But when should it happens? After the appearance of the root. The root animation is at the bottom. So we have to bring this animation to the bottom of animation pan. This can be done in two ways. One is by applying a click on the down arrow. Otherwise, we drag this one to the bottom. So here 2 is there. 2 means after a second click, this animation happen. But when should it happen? After the previous one. After the appearance of leaf, after the appearance of root, the root should be disappeared. So I have to go here. I select start after previous. Just look at here. When this animation completed, automatically another animation started. That means both the lines are in same line. But what I want is this thing should present for few minutes, few seconds. So I want to increase the time duration, time delay. Okay, we can change the time delay by click on down arrow. How to move timing. This is the duration. I want to increase the duration. In how many seconds this animation should happen? I want to give 1.5 seconds. Then delay. After 1 second, this animation should happen. Okay. Now you may feel the difference. You may see the difference. This animation start after this time interval. I'm going to click on root. The picture of root will appear. After few seconds, it disappears. Okay. Now we are going to apply the same effect for other pictures also. Next, what we have to do, when we click on leaf, the picture of leaf should appear. So I move to insert, click on pictures. I have leaf picture. I select it. Then I click on insert. The picture of leaf comes here. You may resize the picture. When should it appear? After I make a click on leave. So we have to move animation. In animation, we are going to add animation. What animation I want to give is again the same zoom effect. The animation at the top. But when should it happen? When I make a click on leave button. So I move to timing. In timing, you have to go triggers. In triggers, you have to select start effect on click off. Then click on down arrow. All the things will be listed. I want to select rectangle 9 with the name leave. Then here we can increase the time delay. No need. Just listen here. In animation for the time duration for the previous animation, we have allotted 1.5 seconds for the appearance of the previous route. Same effect I want to give for leaf also. We can change the time duration here itself or here in timing. I select, I'm going to type 1.5 seconds, then click on OK. Just to see the length of this rectangle and length of this rectangle. It means how long this animation happens. For the same time, this animation also happens. Okay, then after that, after the appearance of leaf, the picture of leaf should be disappeared. So we have to select the leaf, again go to animations. In animation, we have to move add animation, but this time the picture should be disappeared. For disappearing anything, we have to move to exit. In exit, again we apply the zoom. After that, come to animation pan area. The new animation we have applied is at the top. You should brought down with the appearance of leaf. But it is with the number 2. I want to change it. When should it happen? After the appearance. After the appearance means I have to move the down arrow. Start after previous. The same adjustment in which we have applied for previous route. I apply the same thing here also. You have to move to duration here or in timing. Why should I am going to here is in previous versions of MS Office, these options won't be there. So I am going to timing. I increase the time delay to 1 second. I increasing the time duration for 1.5 seconds. Then click on OK. That's all. Then for route, we have to bring fruit picture. I go to insert, click on picture. This time I want fruit, click on fruit, insert fruit. This is the fruit picture. Resize it. Then I want to give animation for fruit. When should the picture should apply? When we click on, when we make a click on fruit, this picture should appear. So go to animations. In animation, move to add animation. In add animation, we select zoom. It is at the top. I'm going to trigger it. I click on right arrow. Then move to timing. In timing, I select triggers. Then after that, start effect on click off. But this time, this picture should appear when we click on fruit. So we have to search whether fruit button is here. Yes, it is with the name rectangle 10 fruit. I have to choose it. Then apply OK. So answer will be enabled. Okay. Then I want to increase the time duration. Go there. Timing. It doesn't need any delay. When we click on it, when we click on fruit, it should appear. So delay should be 0. The animation time duration I want to give is just 1.5 seconds. So uniformly I maintain that. Then click on OK. Okay, now fruit button is appeared. After that, the picture should be disappeared. I make a click on it. But this time the picture should be disappeared. So I move to animations. In animations, I move to add animation. The picture should be disappeared. So I want to move to exit mode. In exit, I am selecting zoom. The animation is at the top. We have to bring it down. Two ways are there. We can apply this down arrow or we can drag this one with the help of the mouse. Here it is with the number 2. 2 means when you make a second click on mouse. I want to change it. I move to down arrow. I make a click on start after previous. The same thing. Here also I want to change it. The picture should be existing for some time. After that it has to disappear. So I make a click on it. Go to timing options. In timing, the animation should happen after 1 second. That is the delay. Then time duration I want to give is the animation should happening for 1.5 seconds. I apply the same thing. If you go to slideshow, I'm going to check everything. I click on parts of a plant. I follow the instruction. So picture disappeared and other things have appeared. I want to click on root. The root is appeared and disappeared. Then I click on leaf. Leaf is appeared and disappeared. Then I want to click on fruit. Okay. If you want to increase the time duration or time delay, this thing should appear for few more seconds. You can change the time delay. After that, again I'm going to insert, then picture. The final one I want to insert is flower. I make a click on flower, then I insert the flower. I resize it, move to somewhere else. Now, the same things can be applied to the flower. I selected it. When this picture should appear, when I make a click on flower, this flower should appear. So I want to give animations for appearance first. So I move to animations. In animation, I click on add animation. In entrance mode, I select zoom. The appearance is at the top. But what I want is the picture should be appeared when I make a click on flower. It should need some triggering. So I move down arrow, make a right click, then move to timing. In timing, we have to move triggers. Then we have to move start effect on click off. This time, this picture should be appeared when we make a click on flower. So we have to search the flower button. It's a parts of a plant previous one. Right arrow, picture 6, root button, leaf, fruit, then the final one is flower. I click on flower. Suppose if it is not there, you have to scroll it. You make a click on flower, then click on OK. Another trigger will be enabled. The same procedure. This animation happening for this 0.5 seconds. I want to increasing the animation time. So I move here, take timing. In timing, I want to give 1 seconds. Then click on OK. In previous animations, I have applied 1.5 seconds. So move to timing, change it to 1.5 seconds. Okay, that's all. Then the final one is the picture should be disappeared. The picture should be disappeared. For disappearing, again I want to give another animations. Move to select the picture, then move to animation. After that, you have to go add animation. In add animation, we move to exit mode. In exit, again I apply the same effect to zoom. The animation is at the top. We have to bring it down. We can move it by the arrow mark, or we can drag it. Okay, but it is with the number 2. 2 means it needs two clicks. I go to down arrow, select after previous. After previous means the disappearance happens after the appearance of the flower. See the different time difference between these two things in other animations. I'm going to apply the same thing. I select this down arrow, go to timing, time delay. It should happen after the time interval of 1 seconds. The animation should happen for the time of 1.5 seconds. Then click OK. Okay, this part is over. I'm going to see in slideshow mode from beginning. I'm going to make a click on parts of the plant. Then I make a click on root. Then I make a click on leaf. Make a click on fruit. Then I make a click on flower. With these ideas, if you want to add some other things, suppose if you want to click a make on, if you want to click root, picture of root is appeared and other things should be disappeared, you can do it. The same procedure you can apply for any other things. That's all. This is for one interactive content. Now we are going to create, and I'm going to give some ideas for you to create another interactive content with these ideas. The subject history. I click. I select a new slide. This time, I want to insert India map. I select India map. I already downloaded. This picture is with some background. I don't need it. So select the picture, then go to format. After that, come to color. Going to select set transparent color, then make a click on it. Nothing will happen. So I select a picture, then remove background. This pink area will be removed, but the same pink area, same pink color is present in our map also. I want to recover it. So I go to mark areas to keep. Then click on the area what you want. I want to check it. Okay. Then I want to give the same effect in this map also. When I click on Maharashtra, some tourist spot for Maharashtra should appear. So we have to bring a picture related with Maharashtra. I downloaded this one. I inserted it. I resized it. I placed in some other place. I go to format, remove background. But this remove background option only available in MS Office 2019 and my MS Office 365. Then click on keep changes. Otherwise, you download a picture, neat picture, then you place in your presentation. This time, I want to add some buttons. Go to insert. Then I draw a oval. I keep the oval in Maharashtra. I want to give this bevel effect. I want to change its color. If you click on this button, this picture should be appeared. How can we do this? Same procedure. I select this picture, go to animations, then add animation. Again, I'm apply zoom. When should it appear? We have to trigger it. Go to timing. In timing, we move to triggers. This appearance should start on click off. Now, what we think is two pictures are there, but actually this is one, map is two, this button is three. So you have to click on start effect and click up two. The oval 5 is also a character. It shows here. So we have to click on oval 5. It means the appearance of this picture, that is the Gateway of India, appeared when we click on the button kept in Maharashtra. So then I click on OK. The time duration, very 0.5 seconds is here. I want to change it. Here itself I change it to 1 second. Slideshow. From current slide, I'm going to click on Maharashtra. So the picture only is coming. I think it is not enough. If you want to add some name for it, then I go to, you can add the name in shapes. or in text box. Now this time select text box. I say going to type. I want to change its format. I change the color. I change the size. I change the font. You can see. But Gateway of India is before we click on Maharashtra, it appears there. So we have to animate it also. So we have to choose it. Go to animations. Here, you use the same animation which is applied for the picture. So I click on again zoom. When should it happen? When we click on this button, this picture and this text box should appear at the same time. So bring it to the bottom. 2 is here. Go to down arrow. Click effect options. Timing. With the previous. I select 1 seconds. Then OK. Slideshow. From current slide. OK. Srinivasan.
Yes, sir.
Srinivasan.
Yes, sir.
Is it enough or I want to add 2 more pictures for any other states?
Yes, sir. You can, sir. Time is, you can take till 12:15, sir.
Then
Some
this
of 5 minutes. So that if you do 1 or 2 more images, so that it will be very useful for them.
Okay.
Like
Okay, enough.
Okay.
Then I want to add few pictures for Tamil Nadu. Again, I am going to this time move to my browser to browse Tamil Nadu pictures. I am going to search Mamallapuram PNG. Then in images, I select this picture. It is a Shutterstock, not a 3:1. So I am going to. It is also in video mode. I'm selecting this one. Make a right click, then save images. In desktop, I store this picture name Black Pancha Rathas something. I saved it. This picture is saved in my desktop. You can bring this picture in 2 ways. By dragging here, we can bring it to our presentation. If you click on the icon, then drag it to move to PowerPoint in your tray. Otherwise, the usual method, go to PowerPoint. Here I want to add picture for Mahabalipuram. I move to insert, again picture. This time I added my picture in my desktop. So I click on desktop. I have to search the big picture. This picture is there. I click on it. I insert the picture. I want to resize it. I keep this picture somewhere else. Okay. But This time, this picture should appear. I click on Tamil Nadu. For this, again I want to add another button. I'm going to insert, then shape. I draw oval again. Then I changed it. Change this color. Change its effect. 3D bevel. I apply this bevel button. I move this button to Tamil Nadu. I resize it. This picture should be appeared when I make a click on this button. But just to see in slideshow mode, this picture is not nice with this outline. So I want to change the outline shape of the picture. If you insert a picture and select it, then go to format. This option will be enabled. In these options, we can change the shape. If you add picture with the background, you have to choose the soft edge rectangle. It will be look nice. So I applied here. I click on soft edge. Okay. See now. This is better than the previous one. This time I want to animate this one. I move to animations. Again, add animation. The zoom one. This should be happen when I make a click on this button. It means you have to go to timing. In timing, you have to go to triggers. Then start effect on click of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects are there. This oval is shown with the name oval 5. So the another oval is oval 9, which is newly added. So I click on oval 9, then click on OK. Here, oval 5 is the previous button. Oval 9 is the new button. Okay. Then move to slideshow from current slide. Now I'm going to click on Tamil Nadu button. Okay. So if you want to keep the picture here throughout the slideshow, you can give this. Otherwise, if you want to disappear this picture after the appearance of the same picture, you can give the animation disappear. I select it. Animations. Go to add animation. In exit, go to zoom disappearance. It should happen after the appearance of the same picture. It is here. So I want to bring it along with this one. After the previous, so I select it, then move to start after previous. Time duration is, time delay is very low. I want to increase the time delay. I give 1 second. The same thing. What will happen? Gateway of India is not disappeared. So you have to make it also disappeared. Select this one. Go to animations. Move to add animation. In add animation, go to exit. Then zoom out. The animation at the top, it should be brought along with the next one. Disappearance of this picture, disappearance of Gateway of India should happen at the same time. Disappearance of Gateway of India animation is here. The next one also should takes along with the previous one. So I go to down arrow, then click on start with previous. Okay. Then go to slideshow, current slide, make a click on This one. This picture also, go to insert, text box, make a click. You have to select it, change the color, change the size, change the shape. You want to give animation for this Mamallapuram, go to animations, add animation, again zoom. This should happen along with the animation of the picture Mahabalipuram. So I brought it near to the Mamallapuram picture. Then it should happen along with the previous. So start with previous. If you want to disappear both this, I want to give another animation. Select the picture, then animation, again add animation. This time it should disappear. I move to exit mode. Exit mode, I applied the zoom. It is at the top. Bring it below it. Make a click. Start after previous. The time delay is very low. Increase the time delay. Okay. Then apply the same thing for picture also. Add animation. Go to exit and zoom in disappearance. Animation is at the top. Bring it to below the picture. Start with previous. Move to slideshow. Current slide. Empty picture is there. Click on Maharashtra. Click on Tamil Nadu. It may be in this order, but we can play this in any order. Suppose if you make a click on Tamil Nadu, hit action will be shown there. That's all. You can add you can add many more things for this presentation. Thank you, one and all. Srinivasan?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Shaktivel, sir.
Thank
Wonderful presentation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I request the participants. You can post your queries in the chat box, so that sir can answer you regarding your queries. And also we have sent the attendance sheet also in the, many of them were asking, as we told that attendance is not mandatory, but still you are asking, but we have sent you in the chat box. You can view the attendance sheet in the chat box. And at the same time, you can start posting your queries. Thank you. Shaktivel sir, can you see the chat box? Shaktivel sir?
Wait.
Yeah, this is for evaluation. This is also, as sir told, this is interactive evaluation.
Interactive content.
Content.
No chat is there now. Only Google Form is shown there. Okay, we share it, ma'am. I'll share the PPT in group. During downloading, you can directly copy it into your presentation. So can we copy the image and add directly into our PPT slide rather than storing and inserting? From browser itself, you can copy it. Can we group image and text box together and add animation? Yeah, you can do. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, wait, ma'am. Somebody is asking. Wait, ma'am. Somebody is asking a doubt. Sir, please clarify once more the difference of application of start with previous and start after previous. Okay. Ma'am, shall I continue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I insert a new slide. I go to insert some pictures.
அவங்க வந்து ரிப்போர்ட் சும்மா 5 நாள் என்ன கத்துக்கிட்டோன்றது மட்டும் அவங்க இது பண்ணுவாங்க. சரி, நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல ஓட்ட பிளான்ஸ் பண்ணுவேன்.
Again, I want to add another picture. Listen here. Somebody is asking, what is the difference between start after previous and start with previous? Just look at here. I'm going to slideshow mode. This slide, both the picture are appear at the same time when I open the slide. Okay. I'm going to select one picture and go to animations. In animation, I'm going to add animation. I give the zoom effects, the same zoom effect. Then I select animation pan. It is with one. I click on start with the previous. Okay. What is the animation I have given for the zoom one? The picture should be zoom. Slideshow. From current slide, just listen here. I make a click on current slide. When this slide is opening, the picture is, the animation I have given is applied there. But this picture is static. There is no animation. I closed it. Now I select this picture. Just observe what I do. Select a picture. This time I want to animate this picture. Go to animations. Go to add animation. I am giving this same zoom effect. Here one is there. I am going to play in slideshow mode. Go to from current slide. I give the animation with the previous for this picture. So when I open the picture, the animation have been applied. So far, the second picture is not visible in our presentation. Then I make a click on any button in my keyboard. The second is appearing. That is, it means the one. Okay, the one means when we make a click on any button, this animation will happen. I select this picture in animation pan. Then I go to down arrow. Then I click start with the previous. If you play this, I go to from current slide. This time I think you see, you may understand the difference. Again, I played it. Both the animation occur at the same time. This time I want to change this animation. I select the picture, then move to the animation pan. I have to go the down arrow. Then I click start after previous. Just see here. Okay. Again paid. First one is appeared. After some time, the second picture is appearing. Here itself, it's shown there. After the completion of first animation, second animation starts. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Shaktivel, sir. Thank you.
Who asked doubt? It is clear.
Srinivasan sir?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, can I start?
Yeah, you can start, madam. You can start.
The doubts session is over.
Yes, madam.
Thank you so much, sir, for an informative
Yes, sir, you
session.
can stop sharing the screen, sir. Shaktivel, sir,
Yes.
you can stop sharing the screen.
Yeah. Sorry.
No. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shaktivel, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Now, let me invite my good friend, our research scholar, K. Sridevi,